Ava, what are you doing? Are you playing? You playing with your stuff? Yeah. Should we show everyone what you're looking at? Baby Einstein. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you got the hiccups? You got the hiccups? Oh. Still in your PJs. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, you're playing with the ball, huh? Yeah. Oh, you got hiccups right now, huh? Hi, Eva. Hi, Eva. You're blowing bubbles. Blowing bubbles. You're 14 and a half weeks almost. Yeah. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. You're getting them big. Yeah. Alright, say bye. Bye.